What do you think this is? This is a community or neighborhood. Your community is where you live. What do you think this is? This is a library. You can borrow books from a library. What do you think this is? This is a hospital. People who are very sick go to a hospital. What do you think this is? This is a swimming pool. People swim in a swimming pool. What do you think this is? This is a school. Children learn in a school. What do you think this is? This is a park. People walk or run in a park. What do you think this is? This is a skating rink. People skate at a skating rink. What do you think this is? This is a shopping mall. People shop in a shopping mall. What do you think this is? This is a community league. People can play sports or take classes at a community league. What do you think this is? This is a house. Usually just one family lives in a house. What do you think this is? This is an apartment. Many families live in an apartment building.